Hello friends, welcome to Learners Planet. Friends, in this video I am taking some doubts sent by a student. The questions are very easy and basic. If you go through my basic sessions of quantitative aptitude, you'll be able to do on your own all these questions. But since you have sent them as doubt, I just solve all of them. How much water should be mixed with 39 liters of milk worth 6 rupees per liter so that the resulting mixture is worth 4.5? That means what you have to do, this is a simple problem based on allegation. Now, the cost of milk is 6 rupees. Okay. Cost of water, we have to assume that to be 0. And from this mixture, we are looking for a mixture of 4.5. So just simple 6 minus 4.5, that is 1.5, and this is 4.5 minus 0, that is 4.5. So the ratio is 3:1. That means if you have 39 liter of milk, so 3 into 13 is 39. So from 1 you need to add 13 liters. Okay. So here the answer that has been marked as correct, that is actually wrong. The correct answer is 13 liters. Okay. So once again, it is milk is 6 rupees per liter and water is 0 rupees per liter. From the combination, we are looking for a mixture that is 4.5. So 6 minus 4.5, that is 1.5, and 4.5 minus 0 is 4.5. So the ratio is 1:3. For 15 into 3 is 45. So 3:1. That is milk, that is water. So if 3 is 39, 1 has to be 13, right? So the correct answer is 13 liter of 13 liter water you have to mix. So the total quantity will be 39 plus 13, that is 52 liters, right? And the price of that will be rupees 4.5 per liter. I hope that's clear to you. Find the roots of the following equation. Now, since this is a quadratic equation and options have been given in this particular format, direct formula format, so what you can do is you can directly use the formula. So here x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? We compare ABC from ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, right? So x will have two values differentiated by plus and minus, right? So one value with plus and other value with minus. Okay. So what we do now is put up the value of a, b, c from the equation. So a is 5, b is 6. Minus 6 because b is coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is minus 6 over here. So minus of minus 6, that is 6, plus minus b square, so that is 36, minus 4ac, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 2 40. With this negative sign it will be plus 40, divided by 2a, so that is 10. Okay. So here it is 6 plus minus 36 plus 40 is 76. So 76 is 19 into 4. So I can write down 2 root 19 and this is divided by 10, right? You can take 2 as common. So that will be cancelled from numerator and denominator. So you will be left with 3 plus minus root 19 by 5. Okay. So that is the answer, correct answer, that's marked. So that is correct. Okay. So simple, you can use the formula directly. Nothing else has to be done. I hope that's clear to you. The next question is from permutation and combination. Find the number of ways in which a committee consisting of 5 men and 3 women can be formed from 7 men and 5 women. Okay, so out of 7 men, you want 5 men. So 7C 5, right? Out of 7, you are selecting 5 men, right? Order doesn't matter over here. That's why I'm taking C, right? What is the difference between permutation and combination? In combination, order doesn't matter. Okay, because you need to select the committee members. So in which order? First of all, I'm selecting A, then B, then C, or first I'm selecting B, then A, then C. It really doesn't matter. You are just selecting 5 persons out of these 7 persons. So 7 say 5 ways. And 3 women from 5 women. So that is out of 5 women you are selecting 3 women. That's it. That is the calculation you have to make. Now this calculation can be simplified. 7C5 is actually NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 7C5 is actually 7C2 and 5C3 is actually 5C2. Now 7C2 can be written as 7 into 6 divided by 2 factorial. Similarly, 5C2 can be written as 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 only. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 that's cancelled. So 6 5s are 30 into 7, 210 is the correct answer. Okay. So very simple problem. Basic sessions of permutation and combination, please attend them. I have already uploaded them on YouTube. So these sort of problems you will be able to do very easily, very quickly. Find the number of ways in which 2 players out of 6 players can be selected to form a team. So that is nothing but 6C2, right? Now 6C2 can be written as 6 into 5 by 2. So that is 15 ways. Okay. So, and if you don't know how to write this 7C2 and 6C2, what you have to do, if there is whatever the number that is written over here, just reduce this number to that extent, right? Since it is 7C2, so reduce 7 up to 2 terms. So 7 into 6. If it is 7C3, give you one more example. If you wish to calculate 7C3, then it will be 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 factorial. Okay. So reduce 7 up to 3 terms, 7 into 6 into 5 and divide by the factorial of this. This is how we calculate NCR. Okay. So that thing is clear, I hope. Find the point on the x-axis that is equidistant from these points. So there are two ways to understand this problem. See, many students make a mistake when we are told that we have to find out a point that is equidistant from that two. So maximum student, what they do, they find out the middle point, right? 1 minus 4 minus 2 and 6 and midpoint they find out, right? But that's not the correct solution, because equidistant doesn't mean in between. Equidistant is possible in these two cases also. This point, in this case also, this distance is equal to this distance, but this point is not the midpoint, right? So be careful, do not make this mistake. Okay. So what you have to do over here, from the point, since the point is on x-axis, the coordinate of this point will be x0. Okay. So you have to equate the distance x0 from 1 minus 4 and x0 from minus 2 6, right? You have to equate the distance. So it is x minus 1 whole square plus 4 square is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 6 square, right? Now you have to expand this equation. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus 16 plus x square, is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 36. So x square is cancelled. So here in this calculation we are getting the value of x as negative, right? So now none of the option is giving the value of x as negative. So either there is some problem in the options or some problems in these points. So this is, the question is wrong. I just applied the simple funda, that is d1 is equal to d2. So precisely d1 square is equal to d2 square, right? So x2 minus x1 whole square, so that is x minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus 4 whole square, so that is the left hand side, is equal to x minus minus 2, that is x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 6, that is 6 whole square, right? So if we expand this, squaring both the side, we will get the value of x as negative, right? But there is no option. So according to me, if it is 1 minus 4, it is okay. But on the other side, in fact of still instead of minus 2, either it should be plus 2, then only this answer will come. Okay. So please take note of it. So I hope that's clear to you. Do attend the basic sessions that have already been uploaded on YouTube. So the sessions are available in both Hindi and English language. You can choose the one that suits you. So I hope that they will be really helpful for you, okay, to clear the basics. Bye bye.